Hello students, welcome to computer class. Today we will learn about how to split and merge cell of a table in LibreOffice Writer. Now before starting splitting and merging cell, let us know what is split cell and merge cell. Split cell means dividing a cell into two or more parts. Now see here, this one box is a cell, okay, and these two boxes are column, and this way this is first row and this is second row, okay. So these are rows and these are columns, okay. And what is merge cell? Combining two or more cells together. Now let us see how to do it. First, select the first cell. Select the first cell. Select it. Now go on table and there is split cell option. Click on it. There is a dialog box. Now we want to split this cell into two, okay, and there are two directions. First is horizontally. It will split your cell horizontally. Two parts becomes like this, okay. And second is this. I will choose vertically. I want to split the cell vertically. I show you why. Okay, click here vertically and click on OK. Now see here, it's done. Two parts. Now see, science subject is a combination of practical and theory part. So here I'll give the marks of theory and here I can give the marks of practical, right? So for this purpose we can use split cell. Now let us take example. We have cancelled the practical this year, okay. So again you want to merge this cell. What I'll do, again I will select it, both the cells I will select it, and click on table again, table menu. From the menu bar, click on merge cell. Click here and see, two cells are merged, right? So this way we do the splitting cell and merging cell of a table in LibreOffice Writer. I hope you all have understood how to do splitting and merging of cell. So this is all about today's topic. Thank you. Have a nice day and keep learning.